Hello everyone. Hope you all are fine. Today we export Smooth Slow Motion in Velocity app, which is given in description. This app take less time to export slow-mo clip. It takes about 20 to 25 minutes to export. That is good thing to low-end devices, like mine. So without any further ado, let's go into the video.
Twenty minutes later.
So now you can see, our slow motion is very smooth. I hope you like it. Download this app if liked. Don't forget to like and share. Also subscribe to my channel for more stuff like this. See you in the next one. Spoxy signing out.